Using Ecwid for dropshipping is a simple way to sell products without holding inventory. Here's how to get started. Create an Ecwid store. Sign up at Ecwid and set up your store by adding your business information, payment methods, and configuring shipping options. Find a dropshipping supplier. Partner with a dropshipping supplier through platforms like Printful, Syncki, or Spocket, which integrate directly with Ecwid. These services will automatically fulfill your orders on your behalf. Connect the supplier to Ecwid. In Ecwid's app market, search for the dropshipping platform and click Install. Follow the integration instructions to sync the product catalogs. Import products into your store. Use the dropshipping app to add products to your Ecwid store. Customize product descriptions, prices, and images to fit your brand. Manage orders and fulfillment. When a customer places an order, it will be sent to your dropshipping supplier, who will handle packaging and shipping. You can monitor order status from your Ecwid dashboard. Promote your store. Use social media or SEO tools to drive traffic to your store and grow your sales.